everyone. Happy Wednesday to you and good morning. I'm Emily Leonard with Mississippi Live. An empty lot at a busy Corinth intersection could soon serve a purpose. The city is working toward building a Veterans Memorial at Highway 72 and South Tate Street. That's the old way station property, if you're familiar with it. The board accepted a bid of $46,500 from Tool Slingers last week. The memorial will feature flags from each of the military branches. It'll have monuments, lighting, and concrete seating. City officials think this is going to make good use of that intersection while also honoring those who have served. You can read this story in detail in the Daily Corinthian. A stretch of highway in Thaxton is getting a new name. MDOT is dedicating part of Highway 336 in Pontotoc County as the O'Neill Warren Memorial Highway. Warren served with the Pontotoc County Sheriff's Department and a jail administrator, and he served as the Thaxton Town Marshal. He died back in February. The state legislature made the dedication official earlier this year. It covers 1 mile starting at Hunter Road and heading east in Thaxton. That dedication is set for Friday morning at 10:30 at the Thaxton Baptist Church. The parts are finally in, you guys, and hopefully the rain will stay away because the splash pad at Veterans Park in Tupelo is back open. All the parents and kids rejoicing. It has been out of commission for nearly a year, just waiting on parts. Those parts. So now this means all 3 city splash pads are up and running. They're Nichols, Veterans, and Joyner, all splish-splashing around. They're open from 10 in the morning to 7 at night. Best part about it, it's free. That story in the Daily Journal. Folks in Alabama get their chance to shop tax-free this weekend. The state's back-to-school sales tax holiday starts on Friday and run through Sunday, much like Mississippi's, but there is one big difference between Mississippi's tax-free weekend and Alabama's. Technology. Alabama allows you to buy a computer sales tax free. Mississippi doesn't allow this. So for a list of what you can and cannot buy tax free in Alabama this weekend, go to our Facebook page. Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you at 5.